is one of the most common and unnoticeable scenes that everyone has in their life. Having pride
Uy!
can mostly be built
Uy!
and
Hi!
developed to everyone's upbringing in life. Uy, congrats pala sa Irina. Nabalitaan ko nanalo ka daw sa art competition mo.
Uy, salamat. Sus, parang yun lang eh. Tignan mo kapag sumali ako sa art competition next month, lalampasan ko pa. Ilan nga medals mo? Dalawa. Tatlo. Hahakot ako ng tatlo. Sus, ito talaga ayaw pala mo. Hindi, sige. Gawin mo. Talaga.
Bakit ka ba kasi nangingialam? Sabing kaya ko na to eh. Akala mo ba mas magaling ka sa akin?
Oh, kumpara mo man naman dyan sa desisyon mong huwag pumasok at mag-quiz mamaya. Sa akin ka talaga makinig. Tsaka tingnan mo kung paano ka maglaro, oh. Hina.
Carl, wag ka na ngang makinig dyan sa abi na yan. Ingay-ingay lang naman alam niyan eh. By the way, nood ka sa pageant ko mamaya. Madaming mag-noon.
Bakit mo ba kasi crush yan? Halata namang di ka pinapansin eh.
Eh ikaw, bakit ang trying hard mo?
Kaya talaga mga asaran nyo. Tara na nga. Pumasok na tayo. Pride ruins relationships. There's no doubt to that. It takes for in comparison, arrogance, and the lack of teachability of a person, thinking that it already knows everything.
Sabi ko naman kasi sa'yo, pre, mali yung computation mo eh. Kung nakinig ka na lang sa akin.
Napakaingay mo kasi. Sige, sabihin na natin tama ka, pero di mo kailangan turuan. Mas mataas pa nga grade ko sa MMW eh.
Naku, pre, sinasabi ko na sa'yo, tigil-tigilan mo na yung pagiging mayabang at ma-pride mo eh. Kung ikaw na nga itong tinuturuan, no? Sabi, kung ako sa'yo, magbago ka na.
At kanina ko kasi sinasabi, hindi mo kailangan turuan. Think ka ba?
Tama naman si Carl Abi, no? Ikaw kanina ka pa salita ng salita ka. Ang ingay-ingay mo. Di ba, Carl?
Makita mo pati siya.
But do we really know everything there is to know? Ay, ilan na naman kaya ako sa art PT ko? Panigurado, baksak na naman ako. Hindi naman kasi ako marunong mag-drawing eh. Panigurado si Sairi na naman yung highest ko.
Ito naman, magtiwala ka na sa skills mo. Para namang di kita tinuruan yan. Malay mo, ikaw yung mag-highest dito.
Sino pa nga ba?
Binabola niya pa yung mga sarili niyo. Alam naman natin mas maganda yung pinasa ko. Just watch, Shairi. Matataasan din kita.
Kumusta? As expected from me. Siyempre mataas. Can't believe it. Ano ba nakuha mo?
Sometimes
100.
pride can be hidden,
Bautere, ang galing mo
but know
naman.
that it will come out in the worst possible way, if not expressed. Desire. It is one of the things that can cause the sin of pride, or more like the beginning of the ruin. The desire to be something births to the unhealthy confidence and competitiveness
Bakit ang hirap nito?
of a person when it's not controlled. That will slowly turn into pride. Everyone wants to be something. Everyone wants pride in their name. But at what cost? Good luck sa atin, girls. Manalo matalo, we did our best, okay?
Tama. Good luck sa atin.
Nakita mo ba yung drawing ni Jasmine? Hindi mo malaman kung pagong o putik eh.
Basta ako, manalo or matalo. The fact that I qualified for this already is enough.
Ako naman talagang mananalo. Alam na ng lahat yan. Kailangan pa bang pag-isipan yan?
Would the cost be greater than its consequences?
Uy, congrats pala ah. Second place. I didn't know you have it in you ah.
Thanks.
Oh, ba't ang asim pa rin ang mukha mo dyan?
Wala. It's just that nanalo nga. Hindi naman first place. Nakakainis. Mananalo na lang, ito sana sinagat ko na. Second place, I almost made it. Panira kasi yung terreno na yan.
Sus, nanalo ka naman eh. That's what's important. Tsaka, wala ka naman talagang talent sa art, di ba? I doubt that you even have any passions at all. After all, you just tried to imitate Cyrene's work for days lang naman eh. If it weren't for her, you wouldn't have won anything.
What?
What? Are you really shocked to be reminded of the truth?
No, what do you mean I don't have passion?
Hindi mo alam? You really don't know? O hindi mo lang napapansin?
Shut up and just tell me.
You don't have anything, passions, friends, or hobbies that you can actually consider as your own, that you actually love. All your life, you're just trying to imitate what other people are doing around you. Pinapairal mo yung pride mo na kaya mo rin kung ano yung meron sila.
No, of
Would
course
losing
not.
ourselves in the
Okay,
process
tell
of
that to yourself.
protecting our
Tara na nga, uwi na
pride
tayo. Gutom na ako.
be worth it? Pride is more than just showing or being manifested in our daily lives. It's also a battle of oneself on the inside, full of doubts and disappointment when their pride for themselves was not met. Words coming from the outside would build a tower that is hard to overcome.
Buti naman na nakapunta kami lahat. Congratulations nga pala, Jasmine and Zaire. Nakaprista ng tatlo. Nga pala, kamusta naman kayong dalawa? Balita ko palagi kayo magkasama.
Sus, pinagloloko lang naman ng dalawa yung sarili nila eh. Eh, alam naman nating lahat na hindi magugustuhan ni Carl si Ashera.
Ayan ka na naman. Nagmamarunong ka na naman. Alam ba lagi kang tama? Hirap sa'yo yung taas ng pride mo.
Ha? Sandali. Anong ibig sabihin nito, Abby? Anong ibig mong sabihin?
Eh, kay Zayrene yan may gusto eh.
Ano? All this time,
Pride is such an ugly scene when manifested very clearly in everyone's lives.
Pansin na kita.
Reason why most of them try their best to hide it from the naked eye, disguising it as a harmless confidence. At the end of this, let it be known that pride ruins everything: relationships, confidence, and losing ourselves. And God has His countless ways of humbling and letting us learn about pride.
So, how does it feel?
I feel so lost. It feels so strange being me, like I don't even know myself anymore.
Why?
After what my sister told me, para siyang sampal sa sarili ko eh. I realized na she's right. She's right. I never had anything aside from my pride to keep up. Nakakahiya. To myself. Parang pinag-iitan ko yung sarili ko, makilala ko sino talaga ako. Parang nagpapadala ako sa kagustuhan kong mataasan at maging katulad ng mga tao sa paligid ko.
So, why do you want to quit art?
Hindi naman po talaga ako mag-quit. I'll just take some break, I guess. Because recently, I don't know if I'm still doing art to be happy. Which is the reason why I've always pursued this. I don't feel happy anymore. It feels like I'm just doing art just to gain other people praises and to satisfy the expectation of me. Those praises and expectation, I've realized that it's only making my head big. I let those things get through my head that in the end did nothing good but to hurt me.
Any next step?
I think I need to know myself better and reflect.
We fight and argue a lot, but I guess it's also my fault. Hindi kasi ako nakikinig eh. I know he just want me to do better, but sometimes he's getting annoying. And also because of my fright. So that now, all my life, I did everything myself. So I've thought I can do everything. I've always prided myself on being the independent one.
How do you think your self-righteousness caused your relationship with your friend to go? And you said something about your pride. Can you please elaborate on it?
I realized that maybe in my pursuit of self-righteousness, I'm making my friends' decisions and opinions don't matter. But as that times goes by, and it has been a pride to me, pride that I always know better.